Hey all, again Pradeep here. So in the past two series, like we have been seeing about how a business model is being validated and how the innovation is being taken care of it, and with the help of DT methodology. So here in this like customer discovery and validation, so there is a customer validation cycle. We have to gather the feedback and we have to define the refine the offerings. Like whatever business we do, we have to gather the feedback, we have to gather the feedback from the customer, and based on the customer requirements the offerings has to be changed, and we have to identify the gaps and how to enhance the product market fit, and with the help of these gaps to reduce the failure risk. So this was there in the customer discovery and validation. And in this we have to we can easily find a solution for a business or a startup with the help of this design thinking methodology. So initially, the first stage is the empathy, to understand the customer needs, to put ourselves in the opponent shoes, in the customer shoes, to understand what exactly the customer need. With the help of the creating user personas development and empathy mapping techniques. And next, we have to define the problem statement. We initially we understood what is the exact need of the customer and what are their problems, and there might be 100 200 list of problem statements will be, or the 100, or it might be a number. It cannot be defined as a constant number, but still there are number of requirements, number of things needed by a customer. So here we have to define the exact problem statement. What is the exact need of a customer, or what is the pain point of a customer, and we have to create a value proposition, and with addressing the benefits for the addressing the benefits of user problems for their market differentiation. And the third one is to identify the key metrics to establish KPIs aligned with the problem statements to track success. And the second part, it was like ideation. So ideation, it cannot be done by a single point. Like it has to be brainstormed with lots of people. So we have to generate the ideas with the brainstorming session, from where like we have to prioritize which is going to create an impact or effort matrix to evaluate ideas based on potential impacts. So feedback loops, we have to incorporate the feedbacks from the potential customers for idea refinement. So we have to discuss, or we have to build it, and we have to get the feedback from the customer. Only then the product can be a successful one in the market. So next comes the prototyping techniques. So prototyping is nothing but you're going to build a sample product with the with when you identified what is the problem, and you have created the ideas. With help of all those things, you're going to create one model, working model, from which you're going to collect the feedback from the end customer, and based on that feedback, again the iteration process starts here. From that, you will go for the next level of prototyping, and finally you come with the end product. So which is like you have three stages involved here. Like teams can create simple sketches or wireframe, or to visualize. See, when we start developing a product, it is not like it can be done immediately on immediate basis. We have to sketch it, how the product to be. If it is a website or an application, we have to create a wireframe or to visualize what how the website looks on. Okay, then the user centric prototyping, involving potential customers to ensure design resonate with their preferences. So we have to show them if they are okay, if the application is okay, the website is okay, the model is okay, then we can go for the next one, a structured testing plan, or to create a proper prototype with a proper testing plan. So there are three different type of testing approaches to improve the to understand the improved user experience. One is like conducting usability tests, then iterating based on pack, and validation of assumptions. So observing real users for insights on usability and functionality, and analyzing the feedback to refine the prototype through multiple testing cycles, measuring effectiveness of solutions against user needs. So the product is been done, it prototype has been developed. We have to make the necessary tests first initially based on their usability and functionality when we observe it from the customer side. So the next stage is like we have to give to the multiple customers. For example, WhatsApp is launched, before that a beta version will be launched where customers will be using it, from which WhatsApp can understand, okay, these are the requirements of a customer. So based on that WhatsApp can either upgrade or degrade, that's up to them. Okay, so in this way the testing has to be done. So thank you so much. It was I hope I'm clear with all the 5 stages of BT on customer validation. Thank you. Good day.